It is 3 in the morning. You are asleep. And right now, on your own computer, your entire workday is being planned for you. The emails are being read, the calendar is being untangled. The 3 things that actually matter today are being pulled out of the noise. By the time your alarm goes off, the hardest part of your morning's already done. This is not a concept video. This is a real setup. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build it. Here is how most mornings actually go. You wake up, you grab your phone, and you walk straight into chaos. 40 unread emails, a calendar with 2 meetings that overlap, a to-do list from yesterday you never finished. So you spend the first hour of your day just figuring out what your day is. That first hour is your best hour, and you are spending it on triage. Now here is the shift. Most people use AI like a vending machine. You put a question in, you get an answer out, and then it just sits there waiting for you. That is passive chat. But the new generation of AI does not wait. You give it a standing job, and it goes and does the job. It reads, it decides, it drafts, it finishes. That is called Agentic AI. So how does Agentic AI actually work? You give it a goal instead of a question. It breaks that goal into steps. It uses your real tools to carry out each step, and it reports back when the whole thing is done. That is the difference between chatting with AI and delegating to Agentic AI. It is the difference between a search bar and an employee. The agent I use for this is Claude Cowork. It is a desktop app from Anthropic, the company behind Claude. And the key thing about Cowork is that it does not live in a browser tab. It lives on your computer. It can open your actual folders, read your actual files, and write real documents you can use. You talk to it in plain English. You point it at your work and it works. No code, no setup marathon. It is Claude with hands. So here is what happens at 5 in the morning while you sleep. The schedule fires and Claude clocks in. First, it pulls today's calendar and lays out the real shape of your day, including that meeting conflict you forgot about. Second, it goes through the overnight inbox, not just counting emails, reading them. It flags the 3 that actually need you and drafts a reply for each one. Third, it checks your project folder against your deadlines and pulls forward anything due this week. And then it writes everything into one clean morning briefing, saved right on your desktop. Now it is 7 in the morning, and your alarm goes off. You open your laptop and there is one document waiting for you. Your top 3 priorities, in order, with the reasoning. 3 drafted replies sitting there, waiting for your yes or your edits. Your meeting prep, already summarized. The conflict already spotted with a suggested fix. You did not wake up to chaos. You woke up to a plan, and your best hour of the day is suddenly yours again. And here is the part that surprises people. Setting this up is not a weekend project. Step 1, install Claude Cowork on your computer. Step 2, connect your calendar and your email so Claude can see them. Step 3, write the standing instruction in plain English. Every morning at 5, review my calendar and inbox, pick my top 3 priorities, draft the replies that matter, and leave a briefing on my desktop. Step 4, set the schedule and go to sleep. That is it. That is the whole build. One thing matters here, and it is the reason this works. The agent drafts, but you decide. Nothing gets sent without your approval. Nothing gets deleted. It prepares the decisions and you make them. That is the right division of labour. The machine does the triage and you do the judgment. If you want more real builds like this, where AI actually does the work instead of just talking about it, subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video takes this even further. Sleep well. Your workday is covered.